If you routinely order parts electronically, we need to set up your vendors. Click Vendors in the Setup menu. Fill in as much of the information on this page that you have. You can leave the vendor ID field blank and let the system assign one, or you can create your own. You can also save a little time by putting in the zip code and clicking Lookup. Manage will automatically fill in the city and state fields. Once you have completed the form, click Update. Repeat this process for all of your vendors. So now, we need to set up the electronic catalogs for these vendors so we can order parts from them. For this, click User Options and click the Catalog e-Business link. Before we begin, let's talk about vendors and the companies that supply their electronic catalogs. The catalogs Manage Online supports are AutoCat, Federated Auto I, Turbo Parts DST, IAP, and WHI Nextpart. Parts vendors work in partnership with these companies for their electronic parts catalogs. For example, here is a list of the vendors that use the IAP catalog. IMC is an exception to this as they are a parts distributor. The AutoZone catalog in Manage Online acts like a vendor and a catalog. Contact your local AutoZone commercial store to set up an account and get your credentials. For other parts vendors, there are a few things you'll need before you set up electronic parts ordering. You'll need to get your credentials from your local parts supplier. While you have them on the phone, find out which catalog provider they use. The information you need for each catalog varies. Most only need a username and password, while IAP requires username, password, store ID, program group, and partner. IMC requires username, password, store ID, and account number. So let's see how this works for WHI Nextpart. First, select the vendor from the drop-down list. Then, choose the appropriate catalog supplier. Now, enter your username and password. Be sure to click Update after entering the information for each vendor. We are now able to order parts electronically from the parts store using the WHI catalog. Repeat this process for all of your vendors.